everyone, and today is Sanskriti Kolkata's 608th video YouTube, and I'll be showing you hand embroidery saris which will be Lambani and Kutch work as well as other party wear saris. So watch the video till the end. I'm Lalia and the first sari is in a Leheriya Lambani tussar. Color pink, handwork. Lambani throughout the year it's in demand, and every day at least 3 to 4 customers enters only for Lambani. Our Lambani is touchwood, liked and loved, appreciated by all, but we, as much as we try, we cannot create these in bulk, but we are trying because this is handwork sari, and moreover we do a lot of fusion in these saris like the tie and dye, and then the Leheriya, tie and dye, bandhej, kalamkari. Lambani fusion are our USP, and here is the tie and dye Lambani with big pallu and matching full work blouse piece. By now you have to take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp only 7603042696. Wow! Another lovely handwork party wear sari. This is in a fusion of 2-3 weaves. One is a silk organza and another one is a tissue organza. So, and it has been attached, not stitched, it is wovenly attached. By weave it has been alternately woven in between, there is a zari weave. So this is a bit of tissue and this is a plain organza. So alternately the work of katha and embroidery has been done. The border is totally a handwork with a crochet fine lace in the outline as well. So this is the whole look of the sari, total handwork concept, and it's so sober, pastel shades used in a super soft organza. Very soft, and it has a beautiful fall also. Here is the blouse piece. See, the blouse piece also comes with the embroidery. Peach color BP. This is the sari. Very beautiful. Full handwork in Georgette organza. Pleat karo. This is Sambalpuri with Kutch work. Number 3, Sambalpuri with Kutch work. Very pretty shade of sea green, all over multicolored Kutch work with mirror work. Here is the blouse piece. This is the sari. This is how the work will be, including the pallu. The pallu end tak pura kaam hai, haath ka kaam hai. And see, again the sari itself is totally hand woven. With that we've done the additional handwork. So these kind of fusion saris are always in demand, and they look so different, so different. Another stunning printed tussar with bullion stitch French knot, ajrak print, pure tussar, ajrak with handwork. Number 4. Throughout the sari it's totally with work. Comes with this blouse piece. Very pretty sari. It has a lovely fall. The print is also in a rust color. So it looking very pretty. And इसमें जो काम है, ये जो पूरा French knot का embroidery है, बहुत close work है, बहुत close up work है. Back side एक बार देखिए, पूरा धागा का काम है और ये वाला दोबारा पल्लू with Katha fusion. Next, I'll show you one Desi Tussar hand Gara Parsi. Desi Tussar hand Gara Parsi in a beige color. Virgin color, deep beige, virgin color, deep tussar with pastel shade silk threads used as the border. Evergreen sari. Any age can wear this and it will get a pride in your wardrobe. Number 5, broad work with blouse piece, also with work. Border is prominent and beautiful, very neat embroidery, and the color chart is also not any loud colors, very sober, pure hand Gara Parsi. Number 5. If you want to see more color options, you can opt for video call. Pure Tussar Lambani. Tussar Lambani. Coffee color. Number 6. For booking, take the screenshot and WhatsApp only, no phone calls. 7603042696. First come, first serve basis. Only after you make the payment, we will confirm your booking. Cash on delivery option only in Kolkata with an additional charge. Courier charges you need to pay, and the more you buy, the less you pay for courier internationally also. We ship worldwide. Tailoring unit is available in both the branches. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj. Kolkata 19 is our new branch. It's 7-year-old. And the other branch is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, which is near the Baliganj railway station, 29-year-old. Vidarbha Tussar with Kutch work. Fusion. Lambani and Kutch work stitch used in Tussar Vidarbha. Ganga Jamuna border. Color coffee, teal and rust color. Very pretty, unusual shade with blouse piece in rust. Let me know how you're liking the products. Do send a feedback and share your pictures with us so that we can upload in our album Sanskriti Kolkata. Join us in our Facebook live videos, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Regularly we are doing live videos from Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. So do join our live videos as well as follow our Instagram page Sanskriti Kolkata. This is a slate color with a dark wine color, coffee color border, Vidarbha with handwork. Very pretty combination. We try to come up with new color chart. This is hand Kutch work in Vidarbha Tussar number 8 and comes with this blouse piece. All saris are being draped and displayed. Close up of the work, the pattern, the prices are also mentioned. So if you want the blouses to be stitched, you can connect to our tailoring department for stitching of blouses and suits. Plus size suits, kurtis available. Menswear collection is available in the Cornfield Road branch. We are closed on Sundays, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. This is again another Vidarbha Tussar hand kutch work, number 9. Comes with a midnight blue blouse piece. All the shades are so unique. This rich wine color with the dark midnight blue, a peacock blue kind of color, traditional border, so pretty. More Vidarbha kutch work for you. Some comes with the Ganga Jamuna border like this one. Some comes with the solid both sides same border. Whoever likes anything, you know, these are so pretty ones. And since these are handwork, you know, it takes a lot of time to create these blouse piece. And I try to give as much time to the karigar so that the best results will come out. Finishing is very important. Even though handwork is, you know, many handwork are displayed now, but the main part of the best result comes with the finish. Ajrak, original Ajrak, vegetable dye Ajrak with handwork border. Classy one, super classy. Narrow, lovely handwork, kutchwork border in grey. Pallu, very classy piece in pure Tussar Ajrak. Sleek, narrow border and a lovely work blouse piece. Look at the blouse. बहुत सुंदर ब्लाउज पीस है. No pre-orders, all one piece. First come, first serve basis. Another similar combination, very pretty one. Tussar Ajrak with kutchwork embroidery, superb piece. If you want to see variety like plus size suits, kurtas, dupattas, menswear, you can opt for video call. Our video call timing is from 11 o'clock to 7 o'clock Indian Standard Time. So all these are pure Tussar, pure Ajrak with sleek handwork, kutchwork border and a heavy blouse. Colors are superb. These are matte finish, let me tell you. Since these are Tussar and vegetable dye original Ajrak, so they won't be shiny. The colors are so different, very unique shades. Flowy, lovely. See the pallu. So see today's video, how many variety of kutchwork I showed you. Ajrak kutchwork, Vidarbha kutchwork. Now these are plain Tussar, Desi Tussar kutchwork. So many varieties, so many varieties. This lovely kutchwork, this very traditional kutchwork without any mirror work. It's an orange color and the Desi Tussar base color is lovely. The work is extremely neat. Chota maheen work hai isme. Pattern is also unique. This is for those who like to stick to the, you know, sober traditional embroidery. Body has no mirrors, only the palla will have little mirror work in the border. 12,900 Desi Tussar comes with this blouse piece. Excellent embroidery. Now again, new concept of fusion Kutch work, brush painting with Kutch work, multicolored rangoli Kutch work. है ना सुंदर? क्या बात, नया कॉन्सेप्ट एंड बहुत खूबसूरत इसका काम है. बॉर्डर लवली, स्मॉल बूटास, super colorful yet sober. Here goes the blouse piece. क्या बात. साड़ी में लुक ही अलग है एकदम. ये बहुत ब्राइट है, बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत ब्राइट है. लवली पीस. मल्टीपल नंबर पे मैसेज मत कीजिएगा. पेमेंट के बाद वही नंबर जहां पे आपको कंफर्मेशन हुआ वहीं पे सिर्फ पेमेंट डिटेल्स देकर डिटेल्स दीजिए. जब भी हम ऑनलाइन होंगे हम आपका मैसेज जरूर रिप्लाई करेंगे. और आप तो बैंक में ही दे रहे हैं, मेरा बिजनेस अकाउंट बैंक डिटेल्स में आपका पेमेंट आप दे रहे हो. सो डोंट वरी. दिस इज द साड़ी. लवली है ना? जस्ट टेक दिस स्क्रीनशॉट फॉर बुकिंग. Stunning. Look at the work here. Ink blue with multicolors. Here is a pure silk, mulberry katan, dual tone with Kutch work. Lovely, lovely color. Peacock blue. Border pallu buta, superb piece. So many varieties. जो जिसको पसंद आए just WhatsApp me. All these पूजो collection, बहुत दिन पहले ये सब स्टॉक दिया हुआ है. आता regular whatever now I'm showing are all just 3 months left for पूजो. All new collection start, collecting your duo blouses. What a stunning piece. This is in pure silk. Beautiful. Vibrant colors, yet very gorgeous look. सॉफ्ट साड़ी है. फॉल एक्सेलेंट आएगा. पल्लू बहुत काम है इसमें से. नहीं जी, छोटा पल्लू बना दिया. बॉर्डर जैसा सुंदर है. पल्लू भी उतना ही ब्रॉड और सुंदर पल्लू है. बॉडी में भी ऑल ओवर क्लोज bootas handwork, total handwork. Now I'll show you few party wear sarees throughout the year. Last 2 years party wear to is a super hit. This is a pure handloom organza, Banarasi tissue organza, and in a gorgeous cement color. Border में पूरा work embroidery है. ये है back portion for the finishing. चुभे नहीं और finishing अच्छा है. So you can see the finishing is also very pretty with a scallop edging. Super piece. Unusual color combination with the blouse piece. प्योर टिश्यू का फॉल ही अलग होता है. स्टिफ नहीं होता है, फॉल एक्सेलेंट आता है. और इसका जो शीन है, ये जो मेटालिक शीन है, अमेजिंग. यू विल लव दिस. Soft woven. This is a very soft dupion with zari diagonal weave, lightweight chinia silk with the blouse piece. For any reception parties, sangeet, cocktail parties, these kind of earthy colors, ये traditional है, yet it has a party wear smart, trendy look. Blouse में it has work. Fuchsia color, all colors are very, very pretty colors. Superb colors. See the colors, and because of this diagonal weave, sarees are looking so smart. Every color is smart. WhatsApp 7603042696 for booking, and if you are visiting the store, we have 2 branches. So for party wear and fancy collection, more stock is there in the Cornfield Road branch. The jewelry section, the menswear section is in the Cornfield Road branch, and in the Jamil Lane branch you'll see budget friendly sarees. 5-6 के अंदर बहुत स्टॉक मिल जाएगा आपको, बहुत वैरायटी मिल जाएगा. टेलरिंग यूनिट is also there in the Jamil Lane branch. Very smart. Nice soft silk sarees. This is just amazing. एकदम बहुत सुंदर लाइट गोल्ड का इसका टिश्यू ऑर्गेन्जा है. उसमें पिटन जरी का सेल्फ ऑन सेल्फ वर्क है, और जो टिश्यू का जो ये मेटालिक फील है बहुत सुंदर. देखिए इसका, ये तो बहुत ही क्या बताए इसको. साड़ी इटसेल्फ इज सो क्लासी. और जब ये साड़ी संस्कृति का हो, ब्लाउज तो इसका अलग होना ही होगा. Full work gold embroidered blouse. Don't waste the fabric. Make a closed neck and little long sleeve. Boat neck ऐसा कुछ बनाइए, like a top, closed neck. It will look just superb. Just big earring you wear, and what a pretty work in the blouse piece. Just superb. These kind of sarees are signature pieces and very, very rare. I'll just show the blouse work closely. Just look at the work. पूरा एकदम खिल रहा है flowers. Another silk organza handwork party wear saree. सिल्क ऑर्गेन्जा एंड कटदाना. सिर्फ कटदाना है इसमें और कोई काम नहीं है, सिर्फ कटदाना का पूरा पैटर्न किया हुआ है. एक्सेलेंट पीस. यूजुअली व्हाट वी डू, वी यूज मल्टीपल वैरायटी ऑफ वर्क, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर पीस, इसमें यूनिकनेस है. सिर्फ कटदाना में पूरा वर्क, ब्लाउज और साड़ी, only done in one pattern work, which is Kardana. Excellent. Look at the color and the work. पूरा blouse में hand work है. Front, back, sleeves, and this is the sari. Beautiful. See the back side, such neat finish. This is Sanskriti. Wow. Soft chinia, very, very chinon fabric. ये बॉर्डर अटैच्ड है, जेट ब्लैक, पार्टी वेयर, समर पार्टी वेयर, super soft chinia. It's just like a chinon fabric, and this is the border. Back side also I'll show you how the finishing has been done. $8200. ये जो है ये एक लिनन फैब्रिक में प्रिंट करके ये कॉन्सेप्ट लाया है. Just superb. Comes with this blouse piece. Very smart look. Very different, very smart. A woven tissue organza, metallic burgundy. Excellent, very unique party wear concept. Superb, lightweight with this blouse piece. Printed ajrak blouse piece in tussar. Soft tussar. Very unique, and see again the finishing. Pure tissue metallic colors, pure organzas, and the one that is hanging, pure tussar bandhej with kutch work. 10,500, pure tussar bandhej kutch work. Coral color. Original tie and dye bandhej comes with this blouse piece. Price of this pure tussar bandhej kutch work is 10,500. The other one is Leheria tie and dye kutch work in pure tussar. With blouse piece. This is the blouse piece border, all over Leheria, and price is 14,900. 14,900, full kutch work, and this, as I said, 10,500. The coral bandhej tussar, both are tussar. Next is this lovely stripe tissue organza, metallic color, coffee. Excellent, I mean, wow. With this zari woven blouse piece in silk. These metallic organzas, lightweight, super fall, not see-through. Very different, ekdam hatke than the regular tissues that are displayed. The colors are also so nice. This is also another metallic black. Wow. This is again another hot selling item. Multiple times we've put up these in the WhatsApp status. Follow our WhatsApp status. You'll get notifications and restocked products. This is our hot selling item. I think I've sold many pieces in this fabric just on WhatsApp status. These metallic shades with nice sleek smart border, lightweight, superb. The colors, this lovely pinkish red color, lovely. It's actually dark pink, superb. कोई भी कहीं पे पहनिए, इतना सुंदर, पार्टी वेयर के लिए बहुत सुंदर है। और इसके साथ ये जो मैचिंग पिंक ब्लाउज है, कभी होता है ना, you want to wear ब्राइट पार्टी वेयर साड़ीज, लेकिन चौड़ा चौड़ा बॉर्डर अच्छा नहीं लगता है, उसके लिए ये सब स्लीक स्मार्ट बॉर्डर्स एंड द कलर्स, मेटालिक कलर्स है ना, तो इतना सुंदर है, इतना फ्रेश कलर्स है, बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, बहुत ही सुंदर। और इसके साथ हम लोग बहुत सोच समझ के इस टाइप का ब्लाउज दिया है हर साड़ी के साथ। ओके, मे बी दिस वन वॉज लेफ्ट आउट, अनदर सिल्क कच वर्क, very pretty silk kach work, snuff color border pallu with the blouse piece. Superb. So hope you like the video. Do comment. बहुत मेहनत जाता है हर वीडियो के पीछे। It's not just 35-40 minutes I'm showing these sarees. ये 35-40 minutes में होता नहीं है, महीना लग जाता है, बहुत फैमिली चलता है ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट, और ये एक इंडस्ट्री फुल runs in this weaving sarees and embroidery sarees. So after the beautiful kach work saree, let me tell you in details about my saree. This saree, first of all, is a hand woven pure organza with matka weave. It's an amazing unique saree. This is superb, very different. इसमें full sequence का handloom weaving है और printing है, border में embroidery है, पल्लू प्योर मटका है, border प्योर मटका है, body is pure muslin sequence weaving. ज़्यादा see through भी है नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें पूरा हमने नाइस वीविंग और प्रिंट करवाया। जस्ट वेरी यूनिक पीस। सी द साड़ी, इसका ब्लाउज पीस इज इन प्योर सिल्क मटका, दिस टाइप फैब्रिक, प्योर सिल्क मटका रनिंग ब्लाउज पीस है ब्लैक में, और this is lovely. It's totally a handloom saree. Price 19,900. 19,900. This embroidered handloom unique saree in muslin organza along with pure silk matka. 19,900, and the neck piece that I'm wearing comes with this earring. 3,300 set. 3,300 is the set. So hope you like the video. Let me know your feedback and reviews. Namaskar.